In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way to blend any image with a background in Pixellab. If you know you're interested in learning this method, do well to watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, hope you can see this image. In less than 3 minutes, I'm going to be teaching you the 2 methods you can apply whenever you want to blend an image with any background in Pixellab. Now, how do you cover this sharp edge? You can see right now on your screen. Now I'm going to be teaching you the first way you can blend an image with a background in Pixellab. Now this is the first method. Click on shape. This is the blur radius. Hope you can see what I've done. Then hold it here. Let me show you. This point. Exactly. Reduce it. Make sure you reduce it. Okay. This size is okay. Then click on your good icon, go to color. This time around, you are going to pick the right color that will suit the background. If it is white, you pick white. If it is yellow, just go ahead and pick the color. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of white. So click on white, drag it, place it here. Then click on copy, place it here. Click on copy again, place it. Click on copy, place it here. Click on copy. Place it again. You see it? Just continue to duplicate it till you cover that sharp edge. Hope you can see what I've done. So this is the first way you can blend an image with a background in Pixellab. Now I'm going to be teaching you the second method. So guys, the second method happens to be the most easiest method you can use or apply whenever you want to blend an image with a background in Pixellab. Quickly click on draw. Yes, I know many of you are not familiar with this method. Just click on it, then increase your pen size, increase the level of smoothness, go down, increase the blur radius, then tap on your screen, just one tap. Hope you can see what I've done. Click on your good icon, then go to color, just like what I said previously. Choose the color that will resonate with your background. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be picking a white color because white happens to be the best color that will resonate with the background. So place it here. So guys, these are the 2 methods you can actually use whenever you want to blend your image with any background. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content on my channel. Thank you so much. It's Vixen Tech. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now.